Okay, so here are the final chapter exercises for the course. The first exercise is create a little script that does nothing at all except sit there and sleep. And when I say sleep, I mean really just do nothing at all except sleep. And whenever a SIG user 1 is received, I want the program to display the current date and time followed by the current calendar month, and then continue doing nothing at all. So the whole purpose of the script will be to sit there running off in the background in a corner somewhere, and whenever we send it a SIG user 1 signal, it will display for us the current date and time and the current calendar month, and that's the sole purpose of the script. Now, because SIG user 1 varies from one Unix to the next, you'll actually have to find out which signal SIG user 1 is, and you can use a kill-L to do that. That just lists all the signals available to you. And if you don't have a kill-L option available on your Unix, then just simply use the signal number 2. The second exercise has relating, of course, to the course project. I want us to finally complete the project putting in the search and delete options. The search option should actually prompt the user for a pattern to search for, and then display all the records that contain that pattern, all of the records, in the standard list format that we're already using to display the records that we have in the database. And the delete option should also do exactly the same thing. It should prompt the user for a pattern to search for, and then if it finds any records, it should ask the user if they want to delete all of those records. And if they say yes, it should, well, obviously delete the records. Now, at some point, I'm guessing that you'll need to use a temporary file in the delete option. So remember what I said about temporary files using the $$ facility there. Also, if either SIG-HUP or SIG-TERM are received, then I want the program to exit immediately. And if SIG-INT or SIG-QUIT are received, then ask the user our question about whether they want to quit. Do you really wish to quit now, or whatever. And of course, if they answer yes, then you should quit, and if they don't answer yes, then you should simply continue whatever you were doing. Now, what I'd really like to see in your finished product, well, I guess I never will see it, but you'll see it, is try to avoid repeated code. In other words, if you find a piece of code that you need that does exactly the same as some existing piece of code, rather than copying and pasting that piece of code into two separate places in your program, turn the code that you need more than once into a separate function by itself, and then just simply call that function from each point in the code. That makes programs infinitely more reusable. Okay, well, good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next module.